Looking to start composting, but not sure which bin to choose? In this video, we'll break down the best compost bins for beginners, making it easy for you to turn kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich soil. Our channel brings you daily quality reviews to help you find the right products for your needs. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert recommendations. Number 1. Black + Decker Tumbling Composter. After 8 months of testing, the Black + Decker 40-gallon dual-chamber tumbling composter is still our favorite outdoor composter. We've found that it's great for anyone who wants a durable, easy-to-use, medium-sized option for creating compost in their backyard. It has helped make composting part of our daily routine and produced finished compost after about 5 months of use. This can vary due to weather and the size and type of materials you add. We love that the composter has 2 chambers, one for curing the compost that's already begun to decompose, and the other for adding fresh scraps. We found it very easy to use. We simply needed to slide open the door to the composting chamber to add our scraps. We've also found it very easy to turn the composter, thanks to the large hand crank and gear system that helps reduce the effort. Number 2. FCMP Outdoor Dual Chamber Tumbling Composter. The FCMP Dual Chamber Tumbling Composter is another great option for outdoor use. It's slightly smaller than our best overall, but it also costs less, so it's a great option if you want a reasonably priced, conveniently sized method of converting food waste into nutrient-rich compost. In fact, after the first 3 months of testing, we loved it so much that we bought a second unit to meet the needs of our busy household. We cook a lot. It doesn't have a handle for turning the chamber, but we found it simple to rotate it like a barrel. There are 2 chambers for different stages of compost, each with a sliding door that we can open and close with just one hand. Multiple aeration holes speed up the decomposition process, but don't allow pests or excessive moisture to enter. Number 3. Bamboozle Composter. Need a stylish place to collect your kitchen table scraps? We love the Bamboozle compost bin. While testing, it was the perfect addition to our kitchen countertop. We tested the saffron color. With a small, 1.2-gallon capacity, it doesn't take up a lot of space and is light and easy to empty every few days, depending on how often you cook, into a larger outdoor compost bin or your city's designated green waste barrel. It's made of biodegradable bamboo fiber and has a wooden handle for easy lifting. During our testing period, we added a wide variety of fruit and vegetable scraps, and other than when we added onions, we noticed very little objectionable odor, thanks to the charcoal filter in the container's lid. The container comes with 2 filters, which the manufacturer recommends replacing every 2 months with new filters. We replaced the filter after several months, which was a simple process, even though we didn't detect any odors. Number 4. Geobin Composter. If you're looking for a very large yet simple compost bin about the size of an outdoor trash can, the Geobin compost bin is a great option. In fact, after 3 months of testing, it was only about a third full, and that's after adding a lot of eggshells and paper cartons, coffee grounds, fruit rinds, vegetable scraps, yard waste, and a few buckets of sawdust. Best of all, after 8 months of testing, it was filled with half to a third of usable compost for our garden. We tested it on a property in Alabama, where it was assembled and positioned in a mostly shady spot. We found it easy to assemble. Basically, this is a very large barrel made of high-density plastic mesh that you can clip together to size it as you need it, up to a maximum of 246 gallons, the largest on our list, and almost a 4-foot diameter. While we found it sturdy, be aware that if you live in an area with high winds, you'll want to stake the bin down to prevent it from blowing over. Number 5. SCD Probiotics Easy Start Kitchen Compost Kit. Bokashi, Japanese for fermented organic matter, refers to adding an inoculant to food scraps to accelerate composting. With this kit from SCD Probiotics, you empty your table scraps into the 5-gallon bin, sprinkle some of the included Bokashi starter material on top, and close the lid tight. During 8 months of testing, we found this indoor composting method and kit very easy to use. It creates very little to no odors, helps fertilize plants quickly, and is low maintenance. We tested this bin on a kitchen counter, and over the testing period, we tossed in fruit and vegetable peels, spoiled fruit, fruit cores, and stems. We filled the bucket to capacity about every 4 weeks, but this can vary based on your household. Our favorite feature of this composter is the perforated bottom that allows the compost tea, the liquid that results from the composting process, to fall into a tray and then be emptied through the built-in spigot.